Welcome to week 4. Firstly, let's recapture what you have already learned in week 3. First of all, by now, all disciplines should understand the fundamental concept and principle of working within a federated model. You should also understand that this now applies to your own design development. The models that are provided by the architects will need to be federated and integrated into one. You should also understand the existing software packages and tools that are available for you to do so, such as Autodesk Revit itself or the BIM 360 Glue platform, available to all students for free. And finally, you should understand how the core concept of working within a cloud-based model applies to each and every discipline within this module. Today's lecture is going to provide you with a specific toolbox that will apply to you as a group. You will have a guest lecture provided by Sylvia to discuss how to apply the specific toolbox techniques to help you and your group work better together as an integrated team. This is again an opportunity for you to apply some of the key concepts taught within your own group to improve and enhance the way that you operate as a team. In the computer lab this week, you will be focusing specifically on further detailed development of modeled components. Now, this is essentially key to understanding the I behind BIM, so the information. In this interactive tutorial, you will again build upon what you have previously learned with drawing key components. In addition to that, you will begin to add more structured detail and information behind the geometry. Your key learning outcomes will include modeling wall types, structures, and design features, adding doors, windows, and wall openings, and creating roof shapes. By the end of this interactive tutorial, you will also have 2 quizzes to complete. With your group, you should now begin to understand that adding information behind the geometry is something that will apply to each and every discipline. You can consider how the architectural technologists, as they're redesigning floor plan A, can help other discipline-specific tasks. For instance, when the architectural technologists have redesigned floor plan A, they can then provide information to construction managers and quantity surveyors, such as the overall gross internal floor area or the overall area for the wall finishes. Also, building surveyors can integrate and help the architectural technologists refine their designs by giving them guidance on the type of information and parameters that could be added to model elements for consideration of the overall building life cycle. For instance, the building surveyors could identify which elements of that particular floor plan will require maintenance-related information. For instance, with your lighting fixtures, you may want to consider the overall life cycle of that lighting fixture and introduce annual maintenance times. Additional reading is again suggested for this week. This week, you will be suggested to read Chapter 2, BIM Design Tools and Parametric Modeling. As you have now familiarized yourselves with the information behind BIM, you should understand how parametric modeling is essential to BIM and how this applies further to each and every individual discipline within your group. Again, all of this additional reading material is fully available on the Moodle site.